Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to delete an Appsmith workspace. Whether you're cleaning up unused resources, reorganizing your projects, or removing a workspace that's no longer needed, it's important to understand the deletion process before proceeding. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and navigate to the workspace you want to delete. Before making any changes, take a moment to review the applications, data sources, and resources contained within that workspace. After confirmation, Appsmith will begin removing the workspace and its associated resources. The process may take a few moments depending on the size of the workspace. Once the deletion is complete, verify that the workspace no longer appears in your dashboard. If you deleted the workspace by mistake and no recovery option is available, you'll need to restore it from a backup if one exists. And that's how to delete an Appsmith workspace. By reviewing your resources, creating backups when necessary, and carefully confirming the deletion process, you can safely manage and organize your Appsmith environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.